Linux Mint on a 2012 MacBook Pro. So let's see.
Oh my PC!
Those are all broken. So now Windows and Sequoia. I'd rather go there and then Linux Mint. So now compatibility issues. Yep, start Mint. Yes, I'm in Mint. So of course it's just a normal. Let's install it now. And try to game. Okay, so my beloved.
Oh my god! Wow!
I have to clip it because the clip is broken. I hope it's detecting the network. Okay, English of course. Nope, the keyboard isn't English. So I'll just choose my keyboard. Okay. I don't know what this means. I'll just choose this one. Because the keyboard is kinda US, I think. And now I don't need this now. Continue. Yeah, just erase. Advanced features. Okay. No. Okay, something else. What is this? Let's just delete everything. Like, what? This is the. I'll just delete both. Or maybe just this one. Which one is? Okay. Now I have to partition it. Yeah, primary. I don't care. Mounting point. Yep, install now. Yep, here of course. It's correct actually. My name. My name, who are you? Myself. I'm me actually. Computer's name. MacBook Pro 2012. Oops. Pro. Username. Me. Create a password. My super easy password. Okay, so now time-lapse time. Just for you nerds. Okay, so it's done now. May I restart, why not? Okay, I've removed it, so now. Um, I've deleted the OpenCore EF file. Oh, EF5 boot. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, it actually works. So my super hard pass. Let's try Firefox. Skip. Start. So it works at least. Oh, the keyboard actually works. So this is my new video, 2 hours ago. It has more than no views. So those are my videos. I'm the most popular one. Ads, of course. Oh my god. Okay, so it's here. Let's try that. It's not copyrighted, so now. What about 4K? So I still have the S20 here. I still have it, by the way. It works great. So I want to try something else now. Roblox. So is it actually gonna work? Probably not, but try. Okay, so I have to install something sober or whatever. Okay. Install. So let's open now. Okay, it's download. I'll install. Yeah, sure.
Oh my PC.
Okay, launch. Oh. Okay, sober. I'll just make a new account. actually works. I'll just create a new one. Yep, so good. Password 234567 RRE. Okay, sure. Oh, okay, browser login. Okay, May 2nd, 2027. Okay, sure. Yep, it works. No. Now, not now. Oh, I mean, I know what to do. I'm here now, play MM2, one of my favorite games. MM2. Yep, open. Okay, is it gonna open or not? Or it just needs some time. What if I close sober and try again? What if I try oh, it works. No. It just wants me to log in again. I'll create a new account. No, I can't. What if I sign in with my secondary account? Yeah, it works now. Oh, this is my main account, by the way. So, MM2. F11. Oh, it works pretty well. So, let's see the FPS counter. Oh, 60 FPS actually. What if I increase the graphics to the max? Somewhat playable. No. Like 20ish FPS. Let's try the FPS. Okay. Let's try this and see what other people got. Oh, it's 20ish FPS. Let's decrease the settings. Yeah, it's more playable like this, but still, maybe not. Just say something. Okay. It's laggy. So real. So about this one, I got Windows XP. The video is here, by the way. I mean, it's the VM, but still. Yeah. Let's see something else. I mean, the Roblox isn't usable, but I think the MacBook is pretty usable today. It will be more usable when my Wi-Fi card arrives. Okay, didn't froze. What is this? Administration? Disk? No. System monitor. Okay, resources. Memory. Not bad. But I'll end it now, because I have nothing else to do. Maybe, what is this? Graphics? Yeah. So I'm gonna end now. Bye.